When shopping for a 3D printer that will be integrated into a classroom or professional setting, it should always meet certain prerequisites, such as accessibility and around-the-clock reliability. Of course, quality is another pertinent component to the 3D printer selection process. Finding a machine with a perfect balance of both can be quite the daunting task. In this video, I get to share with you 5 of the best 3D printers. The list is based on my personal opinion, research, and interaction with the various printers. I have also provided links to the products in the video description. First on the list is the DremelDigiLab 3D45 printer. This printer is designed to be incredibly easy to use and dependable, 2 critical factors for their intended markets. Priced at $1,799, this 3D printer is an affordable option for those that require safety and reliability in classroom or workshop. Depending on your wants and needs, the DremelDigiLab 3D45 can either be seen as a fairly excellent or highly limited 3D printer. The Dremel 3D45 is capable of tackling more advanced materials that require high printing temperatures, such as nylon, polycarbonate, and eco-ABS, which is a more environmentally friendly formulation of traditional ABS. The Dremel DigiLab printer includes a heated bed and removable build platform, offering a maximum build volume of 10 by 6 by 6.7 inches. The bed leveling is semi-automatic, using a simple 2-point system. This makes the leveling process extremely easy. Prompted on the 4.5-inch color IPS touchscreen, the Dremel 3D45 shows users exactly how much each knob should be turned in order to even out the print area. As for precision, this printer is capable of printing objects with a 50-micron resolution. In addition to the high-temperature extruder, the Dremel 3D45 is also equipped with a full enclosure, assisting in keeping the build chamber temperature stable. Another aspect that makes the Dremel 3D45 ideal for the classroom is the integrated 720p camera. This allows users to monitor and control multiple machines remotely. Not only can you use the camera to watch over your prints, but you can also create time-lapse videos with the captured footage. Users can watch the printing process using the cloud-based slicer Dremel Print Cloud. Next on the list is the Ultimaker S5. This printer can be considered an improvement from its previous model and its range of open-source products that have now taken an enormous step toward the professional, high-end market. The Ultimaker S5 is definitely on the more expensive side of the desktop 3D printing spectrum. If you're a designer, engineer, small business with some extra money to spend, the Ultimaker S5 is the ultimate piece of hardware. Whether it's a small or large print, the Ultimaker S5 offers some really good and quality prints. The Ultimaker S5's tough PLA and the PVA support material included with the printer worked like a charm, producing a variety of objects with impeccable surface quality and complex geometries. The touchscreen interface and remote printing via Cura make it unbelievably easy to start and monitor print jobs. Loading material into the S5 is easier than many printers I've worked with. The touchscreen is used to select the material being loaded, and then filament is fed into the Bowden extruder on the back. The printer does the rest by pushing the filament to the hot end, which heats up very quickly, and extruding a bit to purge the previous material. It sounds like a tiny jet engine spinning up when it pushes the filament to the hot end, a nice bonus. With a hefty price tag, it's abundantly clear that Ultimaker is not marketing the S5 towards consumers or makers on a budget. This 3D printer is designed for professionals, designers, small businesses, anyone looking for a machine that is reliable, efficient, intuitive, and most importantly, can produce a fine and functional prototype. Next on the list is the MakerBot Replicator Plus. The MakerBot's Replicator brands is among the top well-known 3D printers in the market. The MakerBot Replicator Plus is quite similar to its predecessor, but with some extra build space. The open sides make the machine an easy fit for every lab. An open view makes MakerBot Replicator Plus best for learning centers. It is because it has the same metal body as plastic containers. Like most of the older versions, the machine is sleek and sturdy. It takes lesser time, when printing in low quality and a bit larger time duration, to print in high quality. But these speeds are faster and get you decent quality prints in a few hours. The printer produces fine details and decent print quality. One can print smooth and beautiful curves. The printer is able to create fine detail curves when the settings mode is set to fine detail settings print. The MakerBot print app compatible with this machine can be considered close to flawless. With easy and powerful commands, you can initiate the print process in a matter of time. Just open the print file and send the command for printing. You can even export files to USB or other drives. The app can be used with a mobile phone or tablet. So, you can send a print command over a Wi-Fi connection or even remotely. The MakerBot Replicator Plus isn't for high-end 3D printing. It is designed for professionals who use 3D printers for general-purpose printing, and especially for educational setups for training purposes. As MakerBot tries hard to provide you with a one-stop solution, you get more to learn from this option. If you are a beginner and looking forward to turning 3D printing into a profession down the line, MakerBot Replicator Plus is the answer. All in all, this is a good option for professional use and a great learning machine. Next on the list is the LulzBot Mini 2. Many of the desktop 3D printers currently on the market are built with affordability in the driver's seat, but more professionally minded manufacturers still prioritize reliability over having the lowest price tag possible. The LulzBot Mini 2 printer features a wide range of updates and improvements when compared to its predecessor, ranging from enhanced components to a larger build volume. The print bed on the Mini 2 is an auto-leveling one. Every time you start a print, the print head touches the 4 washers that hold the print bed in place to detect the height of the print bed. In addition, a piece of fabric at the back of the print bed wipes off the print head, removing any stray material that could clog up the print head. The print bed is a little larger than it was on the original Mini, providing a print area of 6.3 by 6.3 by 7 inches for a total print volume of 281 cubic inches. That is big enough for most things. The LulzBot Mini 2 print head uses an E3D type narrow nozzle and a redesigned feeding mechanism, which means the Mini 2 can handle flexible materials like NinjaFlex. Previous models required an upgraded print head to print these, since they use a different method of feeding the material into the nozzle that heats and melts the filament. This machine is a true workhorse in every sense of the word. It's reliable, easy to use, and will continue printing from sunrise to sundown without any issue. What is quite impressive is the printer's ability to handle difficult-to-print materials like NinjaFlex, wood filament and ABS. Last but not least is the original Prusa i3 MK3S. Prusa has been able to make its unmatched space in the niche of 3D printers. The Prusa i3 MK3S printer has a lot of benefits to make sure you get the best print quality. The company has a lot to offer through its advanced 3D printers worth much cheaper than a lot of other variants. The Prusa MK3S printer comes stocked with advanced features, many that aren't available with most of the expensive 3D printers. Prusa research focuses on quality and support, and their open source printers have been praised by quite a number of people. The MK3S was released early 2019 and is the most up-to-date version of the original Prusa i3. It's equipped with numerous features, including a magnetic print bed with swappable sheets, a range of sensors, filament, shifted layers, skip steps, temperature drifts, and high-quality components. The heated bed with cold corner compensation to ensure that the print bed remains at a constant temperature helps throughout the printing process for the best quality prints. A multi-material upgrade is available to allow 3D printing with up to 5 different filaments at a time. It isn't full-color 3D printing, but it can definitely spice prints up. The small and compact Prusa i3 MK3S printer takes little space of your house or office and is worth more than a lot of other expensive printers. Especially if you are using a printer for the first time, you may be astonished to witness unlimited qualities you witness in a budget printer. That basically sums up my review of the best 3D printers. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. Thanks for staying through the whole video. If you enjoy the video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're new to the channel and like the video, consider subscribing. I'll try as much as possible to keep you updated on the best and newest gadgets in the market, so subscribe to get notified when I release new tech reviews. Check out the description to get the updated prices of the products. Also, you can leave us a comment on which 3D printer is your favorite choice.